How to paint with gradients in Affinity Photo. Go to the Layer menu in Affinity Photo and select New Fill Layer. Go to the Swatches panel. You can find that in the View menu, Studio and Swatches. Go to the Gradient category, and with that you can select a gradient. You can find a whole range of different gradients there. Go over to the Gradient tool. You can find that in the Tools panel, and apply. Now your gradient probably doesn't have transparency. You need to add that. Go to the top left and select the type. Now I'm going with elliptical. Click on the gradient editor and then go to the right side and select that gradient stop. Now the gradient stops can be any colour and they can also have any transparency or opacity. Set that to 0%. That one there. Set to 0%. You can just change it just by using this slider. When you apply the gradient, you'll now see you've got transparency around here, and also you've got the solid colours in the centre. Resize the gradient as you like. Once you've done that, go over here to Layer and then down to Rasterize. Click that. Then go to the Brushes panel. You can find that in the View menu, Studio and Brushes. And then go over here to the right side of the Brushes panel. See the Brushes panel here, all your brushes available. And then just go down here to New Brush from Selection. Click. You can now see your gradient added to the Brushes panel. Just double click this entry here. And you've got size, accumulation, everything like that, and they can all be edited. Go to the Paintbrush tool and select that in the Tools panel. Once you've done that, apply your brushstroke. You might prefer to set the wet edges to off. And apply again. I think the result is slightly better. Double click at any time to change the settings. You might decide I want scattering, so go to the Dynamics and say set scattering X and Y to increase that, and click close and apply, and fill the entire image with your design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.